Ira Epstein with the Morning Flash Update. This update is for Wednesday, the 23rd of November, 2022. Time about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. And we are getting ready for the Thanksgiving holiday. Tomorrow the markets are closed. Most markets are not open on Friday for any real trading hours. The futures will be open until noon in some markets. And then they close for the holiday as well. Government offices will be closed. A lot of people won't be at work. It's just the way it's going to be. So the government has decided to release the reports that would normally come out on Thursday and Friday today. So we have a slew of data that you have to deal with. First thing I'm looking at is down in the energies. Why? More lockdowns taking place in China. You'll read about the headlines at the Foxconn plant there as protesters have fought now with people. They are tired of being locked in. They want better pay. They want to be paid. Big problems happening there. It's gotten me, as you know, fairly bearish on Apple, not because there's anything wrong with Apple, but the supply chain there is going to be hurt. I've been saying that for a while. In the grain markets, still falling, no support there. Bond market, note market, well, the 2 10-years out to 78 points. That's quite a move if you think about it. And it just says that we're going to keep the pressure on the front end. Let's go to some reports, and I'll come back to this in a minute for you. We had the mortgage market headline numbers. Improvements as interest rates are falling. And if you get a 5-year fix, that's gone down even pretty good now. So that's happening. But who buys a 5-year fix? It's difficult. U.S. advanced durable good headline. All right, you can see that these numbers, I think they're improvements. Weekly jobless claims in the right direction. You want these to go up. You know, you keep hearing company upon company laying off people. We heard about Hewlett Packard yesterday, another 6,000. So you want to see that. The question is, what will it do to company bottom lines down the road? And that is something that we'll be all looking at to see just what does that mean. We've got the S&P Global Group. They're going to come out with the preliminary November manufacturing and service sector PMI. New home sales are coming out. You get the University of Michigan final November consumer sentiment numbers around 9. We get today the EIA natural gas. They're looking for a big storage of 90 billion cubic feet. Instead of Friday, we get today the Baker Hughes rig count. Then what's going to move markets potentially will be the minutes from last month's FOMC meeting as everybody scrutinizes it, trying to figure out, oh, this is what the Fed's going to do. Nobody will know, but they'll try to do that. And we get the petroleum stocks at 9:30 this morning coming out for the EIA numbers. Do you think that's a lot? I know what I do. I think that's a heck of a lot. And that's why the markets are trying to reel back and forth. New Zealand today raised their interest rate by 3/4 of a point, much more than expected. And now they're looking to go up another 1.25. So that currency's getting a bid, and that's an interesting development. But we write about all this all day long, and over the weekend we will also do so. So if you'd like to see what we do at Lynn, we write on all the markets. We send out our research by email. You can tailor it for what you want. Some people just want the financial part, we give it. Others want the grains, the soft markets, the energies, we give it. Some people want strategies on options, spreads, we do it. We're commodity people, and that's what we do. You can go trade through other discounters and so on. They don't have what we have. We know that, and we've been doing this long enough to know what we have, and the way that we write the information, how many people have right on their staff, meteorologists. We do, all right? So it's a whole different way that we go about it. So traders that want fundamentals, it's there. Traders that want from me, as an example, technical information, it's there. How do you try all this? Well, the simplest way is to go to our website at iraepstein.com under free offers, sign up for what you'd want. You can call my staff, or you can click up here. Now, I want to remind you that I will not be putting out these updates on Thursday or Friday. Over the weekend, I'll come back and I will do your weekend review with the weekly charts. I want to wish one and all a very happy Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much. Be careful with how much you drink. And I will see you all over the weekend. Take care.